Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use an eBay gift card for your purchases. Whether you've got a physical card in hand or received a digital one by email, I'll guide you step by step so you can apply it easily at checkout and make the most of your shopping. The first step is to head over to eBay.com and browse for the items you'd like to buy. Add them to your cart and take a moment to review your selections. It's always a good idea to check for any promotions or discounts that eBay might be running so you don't miss out on extra savings. Once your cart looks good, go ahead and move to the checkout page. This is the place where you'll apply your gift card. On the checkout page, look for the section labeled gift cards, vouchers, or coupons. This is where you'll enter your code. Every eBay gift card, whether physical or digital, comes with a 13-digit redemption code. If you have a physical card, you'll usually find it on the back, sometimes under a scratch-off area. If you have a digital card, the code will be included in the email you received. Enter this number carefully to make sure there are no mistakes. After entering the code, click the Apply button. eBay will instantly verify the card and subtract the balance from your total order. Watch the updated total to confirm that the card has been applied correctly. If your gift card balance covers the entire purchase, great. Your order is paid in full, and all you need to do is confirm and wait for your items to arrive. If your card doesn't cover the full amount, that's no problem. You can pay the remaining balance using PayPal, a credit or debit card, or any other payment option supported by eBay. Just select your preferred method and complete the checkout. And that's it. You've successfully used your eBay gift card. It's a simple and effective way to shop online, and it can help you stick to a budget while enjoying the convenience of eBay's marketplace. Just remember to enter your code carefully and double-check the final total before placing your order. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials and helpful online shopping tips.